Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of vaginal health. Maintaining good vaginal health is crucial for overall well-being. Start by gently washing the vulva with warm water daily, avoiding harsh soaps that can disrupt the natural pH balance. Opt for breathable cotton underwear to promote airflow and prevent excess moisture, which helps keep the area healthy and comfortable. Preventing irritation and infections is key. Always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to avoid introducing bacteria. Remember to change tampons or pads every 4 to 8 hours, or more frequently if needed, to maintain hygiene. Additionally, choose unscented feminine hygiene products, as fragrances can often cause irritation and allergic reactions in sensitive areas. Your diet and lifestyle significantly impact vaginal health. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water supports overall bodily functions, including those related to vaginal health. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in probiotics, found in yogurt or fermented foods, to support a healthy bacterial balance. Practicing safe sex is also vital for preventing sexually transmitted infections. Knowing when to seek medical advice is important. If you notice unusual discharge, a strong odor, or persistent itching and burning, it's best to consult a doctor. Don't hesitate to discuss any pain during intercourse or other concerning symptoms with a healthcare provider. Early detection and treatment can prevent minor issues from becoming more serious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.